Here I am going to demo what are all the relational and logical operator in Python. In order to demo that, I am opening a terminal and typing Python. If you are using Windows, you can open a command prompt and type Python. Relational or comparison operator are used to compare one value with another. After comparing, the result will be always true or false. Okay, here I am creating a couple of variables. Okay, a equal to 10, b equal to 20, a greater than b, 10 greater than 20, false, right? Because it is less. So a less than b, it should be true. A greater than equal to b, false. A less than or equal to b, 10 less than or equal to 20, it is less. That is why we should get true. Okay, a equal to b, it is not equal, right? 10 equal to 20, that is not right, so we should get false. A not equal to b, a not equal to b, it is not equal, right? 10 not equal to 20, so we should get true, right? So these are the comparison or relational operator in Python. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. Okay, in Python we have logical operator like and, or, not. Okay, these are used combine multiple relational statements. For example, here we have couple of variables a and b, right? Here I am creating one more variable, c equal to 30. Okay, a less than b and a greater than c. That means here we have couple of relational statement. A less than b, 10 less than 20, it will be true. 10 greater than c, that means 10 greater than 30, false, right? So we should get false, because here true and here false. So true and false means it will be false, and expect both left and right side of this particular and it should get true, then only the result will be true. Other cases it will be false. Okay, so if here a less than c, then should this is true and this also true, then we should get true. Okay, to understand and better, false and false, it will be false. False and true, it will be false. True and false, it will be false. True and true, it will be true. And statement provide true as a result only if left and right operations are true. Now we'll see what is the need of or. Okay, so here I'm instead of and I'm using or. Okay, a less than b, 10 less than 20, yes, it is true, and 10 greater than 30, it is false. So it will be true or false. Okay, so it will be true. In the case of or, any one of this particular expression left or right is true, the output will be true. So here a greater than b, it is false, or a greater than c, that is also false, the output will be false. If any one of the expression is true, it will be true. That means false or false is false. True or false is true, false or true is true, true or true is true. That means in the case of OR, if both left and right are false, the output will be false. All other cases it will be true. Okay. Next we are going to see the use of not. Okay. So here A less than B and A less than B and A less than C. Okay, it will be true, right? This is true and this is true, and the output will be true, right? So if we use, I want to negate this particular result. That means if I'm getting true, I want to convert that to false. In order to do that, what we can do, we can use not. Here this particular expression get evaluated, that either becomes true or false. It will negate that particular thing. So in this case we will get true. Okay, so I'm converting that to false. So earlier we got true, right? Now it is false. Okay, if this is false, that not will negate that to true. Okay, relational and logical statements are used for decision making in our program. Okay, that means if certain conditions are satisfied, we need to execute a particular set of instructions. If some other condition satisfied, we need to execute some other set of instructions. So that is generally we need while writing programs. We need to take certain decisions. If the particular decision is true, we have to execute a certain program statements. That is the need of this particular logical and relational operator. Okay, so this is very important to control the flow of program. Okay, I hope you got some idea about what is the need of relational and logical operator in Python. Thanks for watching this.